A protein-packed, wholesome meal with bold flavors. I have one such recipe for you. So let's see how to make chickpeas red pepper stew. For which I have a few vegetables over here and red pepper, and now I'm going to put them in a tray and grill them. So I have just chopped up one red pepper into 4 pieces. Let's place them in a tray. Score 1 tomato and place it in the tray. Cut 1 small onion into 4 pieces. Take 7 to 8 garlics. And here I have taken 4 Kashmiri dry red chilies. De-seed them and place them in the tray. The chilies will cook very quickly, so you might need to get them out of the oven earlier. Also, if you do not have the dry chilies, you can always add in a little bit of paprika or red chili powder to the stew later on. Drizzle some olive oil over the veggies. This is ready to go in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for around 20 to 25 minutes. While the vegetables are grilling, I'm going to quickly pressure cook some chickpeas, for which I've taken half a cup of chickpeas that I soaked overnight and drained out the water. One potato diced. Next, I'm going to add in 8 to 10 peppercorns, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 4 to 5 cloves, and 1 bay leaf. Salt to taste. Add around 1.5 cups of water. Pressure cook all these ingredients for 5 to 6 whistles on medium heat. The pressure cooker is done. Let's open it. These are nicely cooked. Let's get this out. The grilled veggies have cooled down. The chilies took only 2 minutes to swell up, so I got them out immediately. The other ingredients took about 20-25 minutes to grill. And now, let's just peel off the skin of the bell pepper. Add it in the blender. I'm going to keep 2 peeled pieces of the red pepper. Same way, remove the skin of the tomatoes as well. Add in the chilies. Also add in the onion and garlic. Grind all these ingredients into a smooth paste. The paste is ready and now time to cook. The chickpeas and potatoes are ready, the red pepper paste is ready, and now let's quickly saute all these ingredients together. For which I'm going to heat up 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Saute the paste for 3 to 4 minutes. After cooking the paste, add in the chickpeas and the potato with the water. Remove the bay leaf, stir it well. Into this, let's add in a few seasoning ingredients. 1 teaspoon of curry powder. I have 2 light green chilies here that I've sliced. These are not very spicy. A little bit of salt because the chickpeas water also had some salt. Give this a mix. One teaspoon of sugar. Give this a mix. Cover and let this simmer for 5 minutes. Add in the chopped bell pepper pieces, finely chopped parsley. Give it a final stir. This is done. The chickpeas and red pepper stew is ready. Time to plate. Just before serving, place a dollop of yogurt over it. Serve it with some steamed rice or a few slices of bread. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Do try this recipe at home. Subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.